It's 9:30 in the morning today, Thursday, 12th of March 2020. I've just made myself, I'm not quite sure whether it's a smoothie. It's rather thick. It's a rather thick juice. So once I've had a sip and a taste, I'll let you know. It's 1.6 liters. This is my SV500 blender jug. I've just poured some out into this glass, which is 400 ml. So what I've done is I've juiced some cabbage, some white cabbage, twice the amount I did the last time, together with 2 carrots and 9 ripe tomatoes. The tomatoes are about this size. They're rather small, just slightly larger than golf balls. So what happens is I've left them, I bought 32 yesterday. I left them out here. I made a juice yesterday evening. I used 9 of them, and this morning 9 of this lot and some others were ripe, so I've used up the ripe ones for my juice this morning, and I'm leaving the rest out here so that they'll ripen. So although these look greenish, what will happen is over a day or two it will turn slightly orangey like this one, and then they will turn ripe if you leave them outside. If you put them in the fridge, that doesn't happen. So anyway, I've juiced 2 carrots, twice the amount of cabbage I did the last time, with these 9 tomatoes, and with 400 ml of that juice, I've blended it together with 1 navel orange, 2 slices of pineapple this time. The last time I did was 1 slice of pineapple, half a bunch of Italian parsley, which is flat leaf parsley, mostly the stalk bits, because it's a waste to throw them away. So since I'm blending, I cut them up with my kitchen shears, which is this. Yeah. Okay, so I cut the stalks up with this before I put it in my blender. And I've got 1 piece of ginger, 1 piece of turmeric as well. So that's it. In the blender, I've got 1 navel orange, 2 slices of pineapple, 1 piece of ginger, 1 piece of turmeric, and some black peppercorns, about 6 black peppercorns. So I added 400 ml of the juice, blended it up. It was very thick, so I had to mix them up and blended them again a few times. No, actually just twice. And then I poured it into this glass, and I'm gonna have a taste now and let you know whether it's a juice or a smoothie. Okay, I've had one glass. It's definitely a smoothie. I forgot to mention I also juiced one large cucumber because when I realized that it was too thick, I thought I need something to dilute the juice, so I juiced one cucumber as well. So it's really nice. The turmeric taste is definitely there. It's the most dominant taste. It's not overpowering, but the sweetness of the pineapple is there. You don't really taste tomatoes as tomatoes, but you can sense some sweetness, and you're not sure whether it's coming from the tomatoes or the orange or the pineapple. The Italian parsley is in the background, so is the ginger, and so are the cabbage. Oh, I've also added some florets of about 6 florets of broccoli in the blender. Okay, so what do you call it? It's really nice. It has a rather pleasant color. It's a light, orangey green. In fact, it was more orange earlier. Maybe it's oxidized slightly and it's gone this color. It's very palatable. I can have another glass. I mean, 1.6 liters is a lot to have in one go. So I'll probably have another glass and then keep 800 ml for lunchtime. Okay, I'm about to vacuum 800 ml of my smoothie before I store it. Vacuuming it actually prevents it from oxidizing, makes it last a lot longer. Doesn't take very long to vacuum. You know it's vacuum when the indicator up here turns blue. So I'm gonna keep this in the fridge now.